What's up, everybody? It's your boy Zach the Celtics guy. I'm back with another video, and I'm actually going to do something that I've actually never done before, but it was something that something I was inspired to do by a few YouTubers. Yeah. So basically some people online I've seen, like, over the past few years have done reenactments of, like, cases of Judge Judy in the past on here. There was this one person that did the reenactment of the Judge Judy episode, the eBay scammer, which is actually one of my favorite cases. And for those of you who don't know, I have been a long-time fan of Judge Judy. I think she's hilarious. I think she's entertaining. I love how she puts people in her place. I've been a fan of her since I was like maybe 10 or 11. So I thought I would get on here and I would do a reenactment of myself of the eBay scammer case of Judge Judy, because I've watched it for a long time. It's definitely one of my favorites. I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna do that right now, and I'll see what you guys think of that. Karen Ann Davenport and her daughter Shannon are suing Kelly Filkins for scamming them on eBay. The plaintiffs claim they paid Kelly for 2 cell phones, and in return, she sent them 2 pictures of cell phones. All rise. Your Honor, this is case number 274 in the county matter of Davenport versus Filkins. Thank you. Party's been sworn to. Judge, you may be seated. Miss Davenport, this is your daughter? Yes. According to your complaint, you and your daughter won an auction on eBay. Two auctions. And the auctions were being run by the defendant and her husband, and you claim that they defrauded you. You won the auction, you sent them the money, you didn't get what you were supposed to get, and when you complained about it, Miss Filkins, yes, posted defamatory comments about you on your eBay website. Correct. And you want to be compensated for both. Correct. Miss Filkins has an ad, I assume. Yes, the year that she purchased on eBay. Yes. Mrs. Davenport, what did you purchase at this auction? We purchased 2 i580 cell phones. For how much? One was $201.50 and the other one was $255.56. And do you have the ad that I've got both, responded to? Yes, that's 2 different. I don't do the electronic stuff. I go to a store and stuff. Okay, so it describes the item, etc. Headset jack, yes. Phone design, clamshell. Weight, 4.90 ounces. This is all in your ad. Yes. Okay, so you called and you sent her money, correct? And what did you get in return? I got the envelope, and I got these 2 sheets of paper. Can I see it, please? Sent her your money, and this envelope came, correct, along with these pictures of the cell phone. That's exactly what was in there. Okay, so you called her and said, where are my phones? And she said, actually, I've never talked to her. I've talked to her husband, and her husband told me that I paid for what I got. Thank you for the shopping spree. I asked her for my money back, and she said no, and I already spent the money on merchandise that I wanted to get, and he laughed and told me to take him to court, so I hung up the phone, and I have not talked to him since. Where's your husband? He's at home with our children. He couldn't come. Why couldn't he come? Because we couldn't find a babysitter, so why don't you stay home? Because I would rather come than him. The eBay auction was in my name. Oh, good. So you are responsible for this. Yes. Explain it. It states very clearly in auction that it says for, and it is, show me where it says that. Show me where it says that. Right here. Show me. Show me. The paper that she just handed you, that I sent her, that was part of the... Listen to me carefully! Listen to me carefully. I want you to... Listen! Listen to me carefully. She answered an auction on eBay for 2 telephones. That's what she said. That she was advised that she was a successful bidder, according to her, for the 2 telephones that you were selling, because it's in your name. She sent you $467, and you sent her 2 photographs of the cell phones, and you say that that's what she paid for, 2 photographs of the cell phones. Are we understanding each other? Yes. You're an idiot and a scammer, and the reason your husband is not here, what's your first name? Kelly. Kelly, the reason your husband is not here is because he sent you here to the lion's den because he was a coward. That's why he sent you. That's not true. Oh, that's why he sent you. You are married to, listen to me, Kelly. You are married to a coward and a scamming coward. And if you came here to defend that position, to me, you're going to be unsuccessful because you are a thief. Listen to me. Listen to me. You are a thief. It has nothing to do with the auction. Listen to me. You're a thief because your husband said to her, thank you for the shine. My husband never said that to her. Absolutely did. No, she didn't. Absolutely did. Because I believe that if you are married to this man, and not only two are unfortunately married to each other, 2 scammers, but created children together, that's unfortunate for the children. You're a thief. Outrageous. You are outrageous, madam. Why don't you get a job? Look at me. Why don't you get a job? It states right here. Look at me. No. Answer my question. Why don't you get... I don't need to get a job. You don't need to get a job? No, I don't. My husband works. I don't need to get a job. What kind of shop? Good. What kind of work does your husband do? He's a dry roller. A dry roller. He works for himself or for a company? He works for himself. Really? When was the last time your family filed tax returns? Last year. Really? What did he earn when he bought those tax returns? I'm not sure. You're not sure? You signed them. Yeah, but it doesn't mean I read them. Really? But you read that ad very carefully. When you scam, listen to me. You read that ad and wrote it very carefully in anticipation of scamming someone out of $467. You're an outrageous person, and your husband is an outrageous person to permit it. Outrageous. So what I've said to you before is, you need a job because you have to make a job so that you can make money legitimately, not scam people out of their hard-earned money. Don't answer me. What I don't understand is somebody with the unenviable position of being in your position right there today, why you would risk humiliating yourself in front of 10 million people is something that is totally beyond me. You are an outrageous person. Now I want to know what you posted on the website after you harass them for your money back. She left feedback saying that I was a scam artist and I was from Nigeria. I sent her fake money orders. That's what I didn't get what I sent for. Not only left it on her username, she left it on my daughter's username, my username. Can I see it, please? She never said it. Don't speak until I speak to you. She got what she don't speak until I speak to you. How many children do you have, Miss Filkins? 3. How old are they? 5, 3, and 2. You have an active case with Child Protective Services? No. Do you have a case that have ever been investigated by Child Protective Services? No. You might. For what? I didn't harm my children. Let me tell you something. Bringing this kind of activity into your home and activities you can't read. It's not my fault you can't read. No, listen to me. No, I read your ad. Listen to me. I'm older, smarter. If you live to be 120, you're not going to be as smart as I am in one finger. Do you understand? I understand, but that's not true. Oh, that's why, yeah, you may way more, but you're not going to be smarter than I am in one finger. That's your opinion. Luckily, she didn't say that to Judge Milian, but that's besides the point. Anyway, back to the reenactment. In your ad, in describing it, it weighs 4.90 ounces. This does not weigh 4.90 ounces. That's what you said. So I'm telling you immediately that you saw that you were smart than what you see in the picture. The picture, that's what you said. This does not meet the description of what you purchased, which was, don't put your hand down, 4.90 ounces. So I'm telling you that if you live until you're 150, you're not going to be as smart as I am in one finger. I want you to trust me on this because I, being in your position, would never humiliate myself in front of 10 million people. Never! And the IRS, I'm certain I'm going to be very interested to see the results of your eBay business. And did you notify eBay that they should be stricken off eBay? I think they finally just did it for 2 days ago. And delayed to the Attorney General. Delayed. Very good. You turned over to the Attorney General. What you should have turned it over to is the local police department. I tried to. They were in a different state. I tried to do that. They were in a different state. But so I contacted our local police department, which they're investigating it now. But the other Attorney General's got 3 other cases against them. She doesn't like to work. She likes to make babies. Well, there was 8 other people at this auction she scammed. She likes to make babies. She thinks that you have to be smart to make babies. Don't speak to me until I speak. It's not my fault you can't read. Don't speak to me until I speak to you. You have to find something else to do with your time constructively other than make children who are going to grow up with no moral compass like their mother. Judgment for the plaintiff in the amount of $5,000. That's all. There you have it, people. That's the Judge Judy Ebay scammer case, reenacted by Zach the Celtics guy, right there. I have watched that case numerous times, and it was one of my favorites. I've seen a couple people reenact it, so I thought, hey, you know what? I figured I'd get on here and I would do that myself. You know, I think some people did it good, but I think other people should have kind of put more emphasis on her voice, like when she says, like, listen to me carefully, and, you know, shit like that, but there you have it. So that will be it for this one. Thank you all for listening. Hope you all enjoyed this. I have a few more. I'm going to discuss more of, there's a lot of this going forward. There's also other, like, court shows that I'm also going to address. I'm also going to address more. There have been some other episodes I wanted to get on here and talk about. I'm going to react another case from Judge Judy. There was another one. It was like a stabbing case, and this one girl, like, left her other friend to die after she was stabbed and then was harassed in the process. That was actually my top #1 favorite case of Judge Judy that Judge Judy ever did. So I'll reenact that one at some point. So thank you all for listening. This is Zach the Celtics guy. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more content soon. Stay tuned and stay classy, and more stuff on the way. Bye for now. Good night, everybody. Peace out.